guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dustin, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my daily boy makeup look. So if you want to see how I got my everyday look, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Now taking my foundation, I'm just going to apply that all over my face and then blend it in with a beauty blender. My foundation looked fine in real life, but due to the sun cream and the studio lighting, it made my foundation look a lot brighter. Taking my powder, I'm going in and setting my most oily areas with a damp beauty blender, and then for the rest of my face with a brush. Now taking a contour powder, I'm going to go ahead and slightly contour my nose. Now taking a pencil liner, I'm going to go in and draw my Eyeshadow. Now taking my first shade, which is a warm brown, I'm going to apply that all over my lids in a upward motion, feathering it out. Taking a neutral shade, I'm going to only apply that on the edges of the first shade we lay out to further diffuse the color. Taking the first shade we use, I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Taking a darker brown, I'm going to apply that on my outer lower lash line. Using an even darker brown, only apply that to your outer corner. Now taking a brown liquid liner, I'm going to draw in some fake moles, but at the same time re-enhancing my real ones. For blush, I'm using a Peripera blush in the shade Dusk Rose, and then not long after, I'm going to set my face to melt all the powders together. Now I'm going to line my lips with the NYX Slim Lip Pencil in the shade Neutral. For lips, I'm using a Pony Effect Velvet Lip Tint, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips, feathering it out on the edges. Now take a matte lipstick and apply that to only the center and feather that out as well. Now topping everything off, I'm going in with a Kaja Beauty Heart Melter in Honey Bun. And that is pretty much my everyday boy makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at 803THN. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.